Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a video on my brand new military pelican case. This is, I'm actually not sure model, but it has 4 buckles. It's really nice. Handles, the pressure, equalizer, the metal reinforced buckles, things. Another carry handle, another one over here, and there is one on the back. This has, where's the handle? This side. This is a handle. You just press that, and this, I'm about 118, and that holds me. It has some nice reinforced bottom. It floats in water. So it's waterproof, floats in water. I think it's fireproof. And I'm gonna show you. It comes with like tons of pieces, or tons of foam inside. But what I keep inside here, this is how I run. I have this original thing up here. I keep my V-Force 1911 A1 with the mag and the Allen wrench, and then I just under that, let's get that out of the way. I pull this up, and I have all my gear in here, and then I have one piece of foam at the bottom, if you can see. It's really nice. So then I just put this back in here, put my pistol back, make sure I have it where I want it. And this, if you could see that, you could pop out each little one to shape it like right to your pistol, and then your pistol or whatever you want to put in here could go right down in. So that's the really nice thing about this. I use this for airsoft to bring to like my fields and stuff. I probably should weigh it without anything in it, but it's pretty solid, I would say. I love it. I just got it. Oh, it's a 1620 case. It's made in USA. It has, these are really, really nice. They're perfect. One's about $200. I got it for free from my dad's friend. It doesn't take up that much space. So I'm probably gonna get a lock for that side, or one of the sides. I don't know, I may get 2, just because I don't want anything stolen here. Because at my field, people have started to stealing stuff from people. So I got this, and now I'm gonna probably get some locks for it. So that is my review of my Pelican Airsoft case. Thanks for watching.